Let's create some renders for my Unity assets using Spline. Spline is a web-based free 3D design tool. Herein we can drag or import our 3D object file. Rescale and rotate the object. And create a new material. For the material, we will use an image that we use as a Unity texture. Now you can change the background color to give some deeper effects. And you can export it as multiple files, like an image. You can put a background on transparent. And use this to make some beautiful renders for the Unity Asset Store. I hope this was useful. Enjoy.
Visit clipcourse.dev and navigate to the tutorial section in the category list. You'll discover all our tutorials along with the accompanying files available for free and secure download with just one click.